Hello everyone. Today we learn 30 daily English sentences. Morning time. I woke up late today.
Morning time. I woke up late today.
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
I am getting ready for work.
I'm getting ready for work.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I am running late.
I'm running late.
Daytime sentences. Let's grab some lunch.
Let's grab some lunch.
I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
I'm studying right now.
I'm studying right now.
Please wait a minute.
Please wait a minute.
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Afternoon time sentences. I'm back from school.
I'm back from school.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
Can you give me some water?
Can you give me some water?
I'm doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework.
Let's read a book together.
Let's read a book together.
I'm listening to music.
I'm listening to music.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Evening time sentences. Let's eat dinner.
Let's eat dinner.
How was your day?
How was your day?
I'm cleaning my room.
I'm cleaning my room.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
I'm feeling tired.
I'm feeling tired.
Nighttime sentences. Let's get ready for bed.
Let's get ready for bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.